in white color. Why, sir? Chandu Priya, check your links. You have made mistake in linking. Okay, check your links. Complete the notes issue. Okay, take down the notes. Then I'll share the codes. Then I'll show the code. Take the code also. Then I'll show the downloading process. Sir, colors are inbuilt colors for buttons. Yeah, that are inbuilt colors. Yeah, not a custom color. That are inbuilt colors. Sir, after clicking output, shown, sir. Okay. I'm not getting desired output like you. Harish, I don't know. Maybe check how to run the code with live server. You have to install live server. Abhishek. That's why I told you attend properly the HTML class. Okay. So can we read new system? So compress is spelling wrong. Okay, Divya, compress is spelling wrong. We'll change. Compress. Yes. Okay, fine. Sir, how to run live server default in Chrome, sir? If you don't want live server, give open with live server. Okay, go to extension, view browser. Okay, view in browser. This one. Use this extension, and whenever if you are using this extension, you have to click the link here and view it in the browser. That's it. Understood? If live server is not working, use this extension. Okay. Sir, we will need to remember these all bootstrap available in content. Sir, you means we can use two ways for bootstrap. Yeah, we can use two ways. First way I have explained. Now you have done with the code means let me explain the another way. Everyone done? Yeah, how to attach any link with link button. Using Anchor tab. Everyone done? Okay, good. How many inbuilt colors are there, sir? There will be 12 or 13 colors are there. Okay, guys. Next will be the downloading way. I'll tell you. Okay. Once you are entering inside this bootstrap, click this docs, scroll down. Here you'll be having download. This one. Is it visible, guys? Everyone getting like this? In your link, you will be having this download. Everyone getting like this? This one? Getting a? Click that one. Click that button called, click this download. It will redirect to this page. Everyone getting a? Everyone getting like this? Everyone getting this? Download? Because you have to change change in settings. Okay, now scroll down here. Here you'll be having download. Compile CSS and JS will be there, right? Here you'll be having download option. Click this download button. Okay, compiled CSS and JavaScript will be there. Click this download option. That's it. Click this download option. For me, it started downloading. So it's downloaded for me. Everyone downloaded? Everyone downloaded, guys? This one? Downloaded? For me, it is downloaded. Repeat, sir. My network is slow. Abhishek, see here. Go to this website. Click this download. Okay? Click this download. After clicking this download, scroll down. Scroll down. Here you'll be having compiled CSS and JS. Compiled CSS and JS. After that, click the download button. Below this, we'll be having download button. Click this button. It will download. It will download. Okay, click the start download and it's been downloaded. Okay, it will be compressed file. It will be 1 MB, so you can easily download and open in a folder. Open in a folder. I'm having Bootstrap 5.0.2 test file. Okay, zip file. Now we want to unzip it. We want to unzip it. Right click, extract file. Everyone getting this option? Extract file. Extract file option will be there, right? Click the extract file option. Click the extract file option. Okay. And click OK. For me, it's extracting. And everyone is getting this file, Bootstrap 5.0, that will be unzipped. For me, it is extracted and I got the file like this. I got the file like this. Everyone getting like this? Everyone getting like this? Okay. Not compulsory, but that one more way is there, right? So those who are not knowing the CDN way, this way is simple for them. Okay, once it is compressed, copy this file, copy this file, right click, copy this file. Yeah, once you have copied this file, go to the project folder. What is the project folder? Bootstrap. Go to this Bootstrap folder. Okay, go to this Bootstrap folder. Okay, and here paste the file. Just paste the file. That's it. Paste the file. I've pasted the file. That's it. For me, it is pasted. Okay. For me, it is pasted. That's it. Everyone done now? Done now? Everyone done? And if you are going inside this file, we'll be having Bootstrap folder. Bootstrap folder which is having CSS and JavaScript. CSS and JavaScript. Okay. If you are going inside the project, you'll be having this folder. Okay. Now, either you can use this CDN where, okay, if CDN will be removed. I'm removing the CDN, guys. Removing the CDN. I removed the CDN. I removed the CDN. Okay. Now what I'm going to do means, now if you open with live server, it is normal HTML button. It is normal HTML button because I removed the CDN link. Now I'm going to add the Bootstrap. How to include the Bootstrap means, use the link command, link CSS. How we are linking the CSS? The same way. Link the CSS. And remove this style.css. Remove this style.css. Use // and call this Bootstrap folder. Inside the Bootstrap folder, we'll be having Bootstrap folder again, and then call the CSS. Here, select the bootstrap.css. Bootstrap.css. Where is that one? Yeah. Here we are having bootstrap.css. Where is that one? Scroll down. Yeah, here. Bootstrap.min.css. Okay, paste this. That's it. Bootstrap CSS will be linked. This is what Bootstrap CSS. Bootstrap CSS linked. Okay, Bootstrap CSS linked. Okay, and min means minified version. Okay, and here call script src. Call script src /bootstrap again bootstrap folder, here call JS, after JS, bootstrap.bundle.js. Okay, either you can use this one also, you can use bootstrap.js also. Okay, either one. Okay, either one you can. Otherwise, bootstrap.min.js. I'm using this one. Bootstrap.main.js. I'm using this one. Okay, use this one and save the code.